I initially started doing 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, then I've done 10, 12 kilometers. I've done half marathon on board ship.
Did you just hear that? Captain Ganesh Srinivasan completed half marathon on board ship. Have you ever felt so passionate about something that you wanted to learn or you wanted to achieve? This video is part 2 of Captain Ganesh Srinivasan's interview, and I insist that you must watch it completely. It's an 8-minute video and you will learn so many things out of it. You will see again the timeline format of the interview. So keep your ears open and your eyes glued.
Good evening, Naseem. Thanks for the invitation. And it's a very good platform you are operating. I've been watching you for quite some time. Fascinating and very inspiring to see the way you are taking it up.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. Sir, how did fitness played a role in your life, and how did it became part of you?
Fitness is... anyway, I will put it across that we all sailors are supposed to be fit. There's no question about
Absolutely.
it. But let's talk about तुम तो engineer हो. Let me talk about officer. Okay. At least engineer को तो ऊपर नीचे जाना पड़ता है. I will talk about officers. Okay.
Right.
So cadetship में मजदूरी करो, you become a super fit cadet. Then as the rank, the patiya, they say the stripes keeps increasing. Your physical activity becomes lesser. No matter how you may boast around कि I went for tank inspection, I did cargo hold inspection, but eventually that kind of hard work doesn't happen which used to happen in cadetship or third mate or second mate's time.
Sir.
And this is okay till the time your age is with you, and there comes a time when the age actually shows up that you cannot take me for granted. I need attention.
Right, sir.
24/7. I won't say we get a lot of sleep, but we get a lot of sitting hours. We are sitting waiting for pilot or watching a movie till the time pilot comes. So there are a lot of sitting hours goes where you actually put on weight. So I preferred running because it was the most simplest thing I can do, and it doesn't require anything. All you need is a shoe, and then you get up and run. So I used to run around my flat, and then I used to sweat a lot. Then I will feel very happy. I'll come home and then I'll eat well and back to square one. So this is how it was happening. कि जितना workout किया उससे ज़्यादा खाना खा लिया and balance हो गया.
Right.
So then in Facebook I came across as a running group next to my place, very close to my place, and then that's the time I stepped out of my flat for running. A very vibrant group. Then I was very confident कि मैं तो रोज भागने वाला हूँ, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं है करके. We started the run, and after 20 minutes of run, I was huffing and puffing, and क्योंकि मेरा sweat वाला, I was already sweating, so my calculation of my running was based on my sweat.
Right.
I never calculated the distance how much I am running.
Okay.
And then I realized कि it is not how much time you run. It is also there are a lot of dynamics and other things.
Exactly.
Then I started taking my baby steps, and then it's been 6 years now. And then one thing went to another. Then I started running marathons. I run marathons very normal nowadays,
Yes,
and
I saw that.
I do ultra runs as well. I will go to all these hills and do my ultra runs. I've been a triathlete also. So done cycling, 200 kilometer cycle. So I do a lot of things I did after taking up running. The only good thing which I learned is your body has got super potential. It's only we underestimate our body.
Correct.
Or we take कि इससे नहीं हो पाएगा. You are the first person to say no to yourself. For me, being a sailor, my biggest challenge was how to take this up running on board.
Right.
You don't have any proper work timings. Weather factor is a very big factor.
Yes.
But somewhere it was very important for me that because I started liking this whole adrenaline rush which I get during run, as well as the way I was exploring new things in my life which I never dreamt of. I wanted this run factor to be attached to me all the time. So I started running on ships, and I used to use the underdeck passage. I used to run in the bridge wing during sailing hours from the port to starboard wing.
Okay.
And I initially started doing 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, then I've done 10, 12 kilometers. I've done half marathon on board ship. Okay.
That's nice.
It is just that you come to a stage that your mind is always will say no first. Let's not talk about this thing.
Correct.
It will always say no first. But once you prepare it well, if you do the preparation well, the mind can be tamed. And it worked well for me in my personal as well as professional life. I have to give that credit to this whole fitness thing. That whenever I think I can't do it, I give them time, I prepare for it. And then only the whole way how I prepare for a marathon, give some time, prepare for it. Then you give the result. If that day is actually bad for you, nothing will happen. But at least you learned something during this process.
Correct. Apart from fitness, you have given us a very important mindfulness lesson.
My wife will always say that whenever I go out, the first thing goes inside my suitcase is my shoes. The second one is my camera.
Correct.
After that, whatever is left over is for my clothes and everything. Okay.
That's fabulous. That's very interesting part of your life. That photography keeps your memories alive. So how it came into your life and how it became a passion?
The one big advantage we as a sailor has is the way we see nature, nobody has ever seen.
Correct.
Okay, this is a fact. This is a wholesome fact. But this is a special allowance given only to the sailors who happen to be at the time of that particular phenomena taking place.
Right.
Okay. So when you and being a duty officer, deck officer, you are always watching out.
Always, correct.
It's good to capture them, and it's always important to learn, and it's something. It's a good passion to have. And almost every ship since I joined, all my second mate, third mate end up buying a DSLR. I've been Canon should give me some loyalty for that. But
we will definitely look into it.
At least these are very important memories which many people can't have. It's not that they don't have that luxury, but a sailor can always.
Absolutely, it is really inspiring. Like not only your hobbies like fitness and photography, apart from the kind words, and the effort that you have put in. That is really inspiring for me and for everybody who will come across this video. This has been the experience shared by Captain Ganesh Srinivasan, over 2 decades of experience and various kinds of passion that he holds. That is only due to the mindset that he created for himself, and it has become an inspiration for all of us. So let's learn and let's take a pledge that we will also make something out of our lives and do the things passionately, be it work, be it our hobbies, and make it a way of life.
Thank you, Asim. Thank you for featuring me in your Sailor Success.
Sir, it's my pleasure. Dear audience, I thank you very much that you take interest in the videos that I create and the information that I try to pass on to the people, that shipping industry is not just about the uniform and the dollars, but the struggle, but the efforts that a person puts in. And if you have any questions or you want any video on a particular topic, so you can just put it in the comments, or you can WhatsApp us, you can DM us on Instagram, and I will try to bring out more authentic information. And remember, Sailor Success talks about the topics that no one in the shipping industry talks about. Thank you for watching.